Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of POPxo Makeup Masterclass. So for today's video, I decided to create this minimal everyday makeup look for you all. So to know how to learn, follow along. So that's it for the video guys. I hope you all like this look. Do try this out and let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. And since you love us and our content so much, you can now join the MyGlamm POPxo Insider program and get rupees 150 off on all MyGlamm beauty products. The link is down in the description box. And for more such videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily.
Press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.